And now, the nations of the world, brought to you by Yakko Warner.
United States, Canada, Mexico, Panama, Jamaica, Peru, Republic Dominican, Caribbean, El Salvador too, Puerto Rico, Colombia, Venezuela, Honduras, Guatemala, Bolivia, then Argentina, and Ecuador, Chile, Brazil, Costa Rica, Nicaragua, Bermuda, Bahamas, Tobago, San Juan, Uruguay, Suriname, and French Guiana, Barbados, and Guam. Norway and Sweden and Iceland and Finland and Germany now one piece. Switzerland, Austria, Czechoslovakia, Italy, Turkey and Greece. Poland, Romania, Scotland, Ireland, Russia, Oman. Bulgaria, Saudi Arabia, Hungary, Cyprus, Iraq, there, Lebanon, Jordan, Kuwait and Bahrain. The Netherlands, Luxembourg, Belgium and Portugal, France, England, Denmark and Spain. India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Thailand, Malaysia, Asia and China, Korea, Japan. The Philippine Islands, Taiwan, Sri Lanka, New Zealand, Djibouti, Egypt, Tanzania, Kenya, Myanmar and Cayman, Hong Kong, Abu Dhabi, Qatar, Yugoslavia, Crete, Pennsylvania, Malta, Australia.